Hello everyone and welcome to Week 6, Day 1, Part 2. And this will be our math today. And it's all review of the things that we did last week, making numbers 11 to 15, making numbers 16 to 19, and then taking apart those same numbers, 11 to 19. So the concept check is a vocabulary check. Here is the number 14. Here's the number 11. Here's the number 19. And we want to count each group of fish and circle the group of fish that has 16. Circle the group of 16 fish. So the first activity you're doing is you're just counting these red fish, then count the yellow fish, and figure out which one is 16. Okay? Next, you're going to circle the group of 16 fish and then put an X on the other group of fish, okay? So you're going to count each coin, and you're going to say the number and then draw more coins to show 19 coins. So these are the coins that you have already. Okay, and you need to draw a few more in order for this to have 19 coins all together. So you're not drawing 19 all by yourself. Some are already here. Let's count how many are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. You need to draw more so that you draw number 19, okay? And then it says color 11 bubbles. You're just going to color 11 bubbles. So you have to count to 11, okay? That was easy. Let's turn the page. On the back of this page, you're going to show how to make 17, okay? You're going to say how many are in this 10 frame, 10, and how many more so that you can make 17. For these two, we're taking it apart, and you've done these so many times. 16 is how many and how many more. 19 is how many and how many more. I know you can do those. For this page, you're going to be drawing the objects yourself, right? We're making this number. So you're making the number by putting X's or circles in the 10 frames. And then remember, this math sentence starts with the number 15. It's a sentence that says 15 is this many and this many. Okay? And the same for this number. You're going to do it exactly the same way. Very easy. And 13, 18, 19, all of these you've done before. How many in this 10 frame? How many more? Very easy. So after you've done that review, you get to make a little foldable book. And I'm going to demonstrate how to make that book right now. So we always know that we're going to cut off the top because we never need this little top band here. So we cut off the top right away. That's our first thing we do. We get rid of that. And then we know that we cut on orange dash lines, but we do not cut on green dots. That is for folding. We only are going to make one cut to make this book, and that's going to be across on the orange dashes. So I'm going to use my scissors to do that. I'm going to cut across. Okay. So now I have two pieces, and I noticed that this is the cover, so I know that's going to be on the outside. So I'm going to flip it over and I'm going to fold it so I can see that. Okay. And when I'm looking inside on the first page, I am going to look for what might be the next page. Okay, so I folded that one. And I'm going to do the same thing on this page. This is my fold line, but I need to fold it, I need to turn it over and fold it. So when you fold your page, this is what will be showing on the second part of your page. It will be these little blue raindrops. Okay, so when you open it now, you're going to tuck this page inside and fold it down. If you have a stapler, you can staple it, or otherwise you can just make a little hole and put a string or just attach it in some way inside. You can sew it together actually with some needle and thread. Okay, so I put 2 staples, and here's what your book should look like. Take apart numbers. Ooh, that's the fun one. When I fold it open, I see that I have some green dots. Okay, I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to say what the number is, how many green dots, and I'm going to say how many are in the top 10 frame and how many more. Then comes the blue raindrops. That came next. When I turn the page, next is red triangles and blue X's. Remember, you're going to put the number here and then how many and how many more. It's how many in this 10 frame, and then this is how many more. If you write the number, it will give you a big clue. Then you have purple diamonds. And then finally, there is a blank page. So for the blank page, I want you to choose a number 16, 17, 18, or 19 and do the blank page. Then that's the end. That's a place you could put your name. Okay, so do all of them and then choose either 16, 17, 18, or 19 to do your own. And that's it, easy peasy. So the math was very easy today, and I would like you to think about objects, and possibly you could get some objects and maybe you could make your own little take apart 10 frame. Maybe you can bring it to our Monday meeting or our Friday meeting, and you're going to do, maybe you don't have to do 10 frames, but you're going to always put them just in 2 groups, 10 in one group, and then however many more you have in another group. Okay, so any number 11 to 19. So count, 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 take them apart. Maybe you're going to do it with stickers. We could do it with 2 different kinds of stickers if you have them. Maybe you have some heart stickers and you have some Pete the Cat stickers or whatever you have. And you could do it that way. Or you could just draw them. You could just draw some objects and on a piece of paper. Just do your own, any way you'd like to do it. I have a stamper, so I could do it with a stamper also. Any way you want to do it. All right, so I will see you next time. Bye.